Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this lovely wrap top with 2.5 yards of any lovely Ankara fabric. You can make this top for yourself or for your clients. Required measurements are the shoulder, the length, the half length, bust, waist, hip and sleeve length. Put your fabric on fold from the center front. Go in by 7 inches or less as you prefer. Input your horizontal measurement plus seam allowance. On the shoulder line, mark your neckline 4 by 4 inches. Come down by 1 inch from the shoulder slope. Connect the line from your shoulder to the chest line. From the shoulder line, come down by 12 inches for your front dart starting point. Stop at 22 inches. Use your nipple to nipple measurement or bust span to get your dart width. Open your dart on the waistline by ½ inch on both sides and connect it as illustrated above. Divide the line from your shoulder to chest line into 2 and go in by ½ inch to shape your armhole. Continue with the rest of your measurement plus seam allowance. Shape at the hemline. This is optional. Use your curve ruler to draw a line from your neckline to the half length or as you prefer. Draw it down to the hem as illustrated above. Cut it out. It should be 2. To save you the stress of redrafting the back, place the front pattern on a folded fabric. Put out the excess as illustrated above. Use your tracing wheel or tailor's chalk to transfer markings. Mark your back neckline 4 by 1 inch. The back armhole midpoint should be out by ½ inch as illustrated above. Front and back together. For the rope for the wrap top, the rope can be wider than 5 inches. For this illustration, I'm using 5 inches, which is unfold it will be 2.5 inches. You can join with 1/4 inch. One of the length will be 25 inches and another 35 inches. You can make yours to be longer. The longer belt will be the one to go in first and pass through the belt hole on the waist to the back. The opening of the side should be as wide as the belt, not more than 2.5 inches or 3 at most. For the sleeve, put your fabric on bias form. Place your sleeve pattern straight or slant. Make sure you secure the sleeve with a pin on the fabric. You can add 10 inches or more depending on the fullness you want. Add your seam allowance and mark as illustrated above. Cut out the sleeve out. Use your round elbow circumference to get the band. 3 unfold by 5. Your own 5 will be your accurate elbow measurement plus seam allowance. Using slash and spread method, draw straight lines on the sleeve and number it as illustrated above. Cut through the lines. Place on your fabric or another paper and spread it. You can spread it more than 2 inches depending on how full you want the sleeve to be, and add your sewing or seam allowance. Cut it out. Run a loose stitch at the hem and draw gathers. Then fit the sleeve. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.